Welcome back to Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen with offices in Houston, Texas. And today we're going to talk about 3 things that you should not do after filing a VAWA petition and 3 things that you can do. The first thing that you shouldn't do after filing a VAWA petition is remarrying someone else. If you remarry anyone else, the VAWA petition is going to be denied. The second tip is to make sure that you do not commit any crimes. And in the United States, it's very easy to accidentally commit crimes. For example, if you go to the store and you forget to scan some of the items through an automatic checkout, the government can accuse you of stealing. In my experience, I recommend to my clients to go through the cashier. This way, the store cannot accuse you of stealing any items. Again, this goes also to drinking while you're driving and other crimes. Make sure that you stay clean of any crimes if you're filing for VAWA in order to avoid any type of issues. The third and worst thing that you can do after filing a VAWA petition is lying to the government on any government forms. What I see most often in our practice is that people will listen to their neighbors, their friends, their colleagues, their family members, and they will do activities or engage in activities that have serious immigration consequences. What I see in my practice a lot is a person will apply for welfare or public benefits, and they will make some false assertions. Let's say, for example, they live with only 1 child, and a neighbor tells them, go ahead and put down 2, this way you receive more government benefits. Well, this is true. You may receive more government benefits, but your VAWA petition or your green card application in the future may be denied because you lied on this government form. Another type of lie that I see quite often is people not filing their taxes correctly. If you file your taxes, make sure that you go to either a tax attorney or a certified public accountant. This way you make sure that you're doing the documents correctly. Again, doing things or filing documents with the government that are fraudulent or misleading or conceals information may have devastating criminal and immigration consequences. Now that we have spoken about what you cannot do after filing a VAWA petition, let's talk about 3 things that you can safely do. The first one is moving. If you want to move out of the city, out of the state, you can definitely move after filing a VAWA petition. If you're represented by an attorney, the attorney should receive all the notices related to your case so you can safely move without having much interruption. The second thing that you can do is you can file for a divorce. Many people do not know this, but yes, you don't have to stay married in order for the VAWA petition to be approved. So if you want to divorce a spouse, you can safely do so. The last thing that you can do after filing a VAWA petition is traveling abroad, and many people do not realize that they're able to travel in certain circumstances. Again, not everyone is eligible to travel internationally after filing a VAWA petition. However, if you have an immigration attorney and they properly vetted you to make sure that it's safe for you to travel and return to the United States, then there should be no issues for you to travel. Again, definitely check in with your immigration attorney because there are times where you may be advised not to travel internationally for certain reasons. Again, we don't recommend traveling unless it's an emergency, but if there is an emergency, it may be safe for you to travel. So these are our top 3 tips on what you can and cannot do after filing a VAWA petition. Again, thank you for watching Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen, and we hope that we have made immigration easier to understand.
At David Nguyen's Law Office, we are here to help you. We bring families together through immigration. And on the other hand, we help you find solutions. All your legal needs in the hands of people who care, who are there for you. We'll take care of your loved ones at the law office of David Nguyen.